Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to our channel. So finally IEM JEE and IEM CET applications are now live. If you want to take admission in 2026 in IEM Salt Lake or IEM New Town or IEM Jaipur, then you must appear for either IEM JEE or IEM CET entrance exam. Without this exam, you cannot take admission, and in this video I will explain everything clearly from eligibility, syllabus and exam patterns, important dates, and at the end of the video I will also show you how to apply step by step. This video is important and watch it carefully because you already know IEM is considered as one of the top private engineering colleges in West Bengal, and students usually keep it as their first target. You should also understand one very important thing is that IEM starts its admission process very early and it also closes soon because seats get filled very fast, and the only way to take admission in IEM is through IEM JEE or IEM CET. Many students think that they can get admission through WBJEE or JEE Main, but friends, let me be very clear. Last year, admission through WBJEE or JEE Main didn't happen in IEM. For B.Tech, you can only get admission through IEM JEE or 10 to 15% of the total seat intake through management quota. And if you want to secure your seat right now, you can connect with us at the contact details given in the description and we will explain everything personally. To be honest, if you seriously want admission in IEM for 2026, then you should not miss the first session of IEM JEE exam. And this is very important. A large number of seats are booked and reserved in the first session itself, and after that ranks are released and students with comparatively higher ranks get admission in their first session. That is why I keep repeating, do not miss the first, second or third session because the demand for IEM is very high and the competition is increasing every year. So if you're serious about it, take action early. Now let us come to the main topic. First, you have to go to the official IEM website, and after that you will have to scroll down and you will see the option apply for IEM JEE or IEM CET 2026. Click on that and a dashboard will open on the screen. Basically IEM JEE is for mainly B.Tech in campuses like IEM Salt Lake, Newtown or IEM Jaipur, and IEM CET exam is for courses like BBA, BCA, BBLLB, BHM and then MCA and M.Tech across the same campuses. There are two modes of exam, online and offline. Online doesn't mean that you can give the exam from home. You still need to apply first and download your admit card and then come to the campus, the ashram building at Salt Lake Sector 5, and the exam there will be conducted in CBT mode and you will sit in front of a computer and attempt an MCQ based exam. The online exam dates are from 5th January to 31st January and you can choose your preferred date, and the exam timing will be from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. The second option is the offline exam, which will be conducted on 13 April from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So the offline exam centers are available in Salt Lake, Newtown, then Hooghly, Howrah, Malda and Murshidabad. You can choose your nearest center and give the exam in pen and paper mode. Now coming to the application process, it is very simple. You need to enter the personal details, then select exam details and center, then upload the required documents and review the process and then submit the form. And the thing is, you don't need to pay any application fee. Yes, the application is completely free. And now you can see on the screen the fee structure of IEM Salt Lake, and also you can see the eligibility criteria along with the semester breakdown, so you can at least get a rough idea that how much percentage you should score. And it is the same for IEM New Town, but if you want to know about the fee of IEM Jaipur, it is significantly little bit lower. So if you want the fee structure of IEM Jaipur, then you can text us in our WhatsApp number and we will provide you the PDF. Now let us talk about IEM JEE syllabus for B.Tech first year admission. The syllabus is the same as JEE Main: physics, chemistry and mathematics. Each subject has 30 questions and each question carries 4 marks. So the total number of question is 90 and the total marks are 360. The exam duration is for 2 hours for online exam, and for offline exam the exam duration is 3 hours. For other courses like BBA, BCA, then BBLLB, BHM, MCA and M.Tech, you need to appear for IEM CET. The syllabus for BBA and BCA includes general knowledge, aptitude, spoken English and basic maths. And for MCA, you can prepare from WB JK sample papers, and for MBA, CAT level sample questions are sufficient, and for M.Tech, GAT level preparation is enough. And if you want regular updates about IEMJ, then please subscribe to our channel, and I hope this video helped you. And if you like it, then please like the video, and until then I will see you in the next video. Good luck.